This video will demonstrate how to replace the fuser unit on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 Series copier. So what you want to do is go to the side of the machine and locate the door labeled A. Then you want to open that door. And as you can see, fuser unit is located right here. So when you take out the fuser, you're going to notice that there's two little tabs. They're like a peachish color. You want to take both tabs and rotate them counterclockwise. You want to keep going until they're completely loose and hanging out. Then you want to put two fingers in each handle and pull the fuser unit towards you. This is what the fuser unit looks like. And then when installing the fuser, make sure that the metal guides line up with the fuser. And once that's in, you press it in, make sure it's snug in there and it's not loose. And then what you want to do is, once again, screw in both tabs clockwise so that they're tight and that the fuser doesn't move anywhere. And then you close the door. That is how you replace the fuser unit on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 Series copier.